Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we learn about T.S. Eliot, major American literary figure. So let's start. T.S. Eliot born in 26 September 1888, St. Louis, Missouri, United States. And he died in January 4th, 1965. ही वॉज अमेरिकन इंग्लिश पोएट है, वो प्ले राइट है, लिटरेरी क्रिटिक है, as well as editor who became a leader of the modernist movement in the poetry such as his work. उनकी वर्क की अगर हम बात करें तो वेस्टलैंड 1922, again and again asked question on the Westland. Then the four quatrain पे भी क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं. So the Westland and the four quatrain very important. Now let's talk about the four quatrain. So Eliot's masterpiece. Oh, what is this? Okay. So Eliot's masterpiece, that is Four Quatrain, which was issued as a book in 1943. Each quatrain is a complete poem. There are four fragmentation of the part. मतलब four quatrains में divided है. पहला है Bert Norton. First कौन सा है? Bert Norton. It was the first quatrain. It had appeared in the collected poems of 1936. It is a subtle meditation on the nature of time and its relation to the eternity. मतलब how the meditation on the nature of time and उसका relation with the eternity. On the model of this, Eliot wrote 3 more poems. उसमें second East Coker 1940. फिर The Dry Savages 1941 and Little Gilding 1942, in which he explored through the images of great beauty, haunting power, his own past, the past of human race and the meaning of human history. Each of these poems was self-subsistent, but when published together, they seem make a single work. So themes and images reoccurred where the developed and musical manner brought to the final resolution. There. So an outstanding example of Eliot's verse Four Quatrain is the passage in Little Gilding in which the poet meets. मतलब एक Little Gilding में एक passage आता है जहाँ पे compound ghost figure appear करते two of his master, that is William Butler Yeats and Stephen that Mallon. Okay, the scene take place at down in the London after the night on duty at an air raid post during an air attack. Now, his next work, that is मर्डर इन कैथेड्रल, पोएटिक ड्रामा है. मर्डर इन कैथेड्रल ये उनका पोएट्रिक ड्रामा है. इसके 2 पार्ट्स है विद अ प्रोज सेरेमन. इंक्लूड द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल प्ले माना जाता है अमेरिकन इंग्लिश पोएट टी.एस. एलियट. द प्ले वाज परफॉर्म एट कैंटरबरी कैथेड्रल. ये कहाँ परफॉर्म हुआ था? कैंटरबरी कैथेड्रल में इन 1935 में, एंड पब्लिश हुआ था सेम ईयर में एंड सेट इन December 1170. इट इज अ मॉडर्न मिरेकल प्ले. जैसे पहले मिस्टीरियस प्ले, मिरेकल प्ले और इंटरव्यू होते थे. सो मॉडर्न मिरेकल प्ले ऑन द दैट मार्टरडम. ओके, जो हुतात्मा शहीद लोग हैं जैसे कि सेंट थॉमस बेकेट एंड आर्च बिशप ऑफ कैंटरबरी. ओके, सो द प्ले वाज मोर स्ट्राइकिंग दैट फीचर इन द यूज ऑफ कोरस इन द क्लासिकल ग्रीक मैनर. इस पोएटिक ड्रामा में एक स्ट्राइकिंग फीचर्स यूज किया गया, दैट इज कोरस. जैसे पहले क्लासिकल ग्रीक मैनर ट्रेजेडीज में या ड्रामाज में यूज होता था. एंड द पुअर वुमेन ऑफ कैंटरबरी हु मेक अप द chorus nervously await Thomas' return from his 7-year exile. Okay, so fighting over his volatile relationship with the King Henry II, Thomas arrives and must resist 4 temptations: worldly pleasure, lasting power as a challenger, and recognition as a leader of the baron against the king. Now, the Westland is a poem by T.S. Eliot, widely regarded poem है, very important in English language poem of the 20th century and modernist poetry. publish हुई है 1922 में. इसका publishing year भी पूछा गया है. and इसके lines कितने हैं? 434 lines की poem है. first appeared हुई थी United Kingdom in October issue of the Eliot's magazine. Eliot का जो magazine है The Criterion, and in the United States in the November, that is in the Dial. Among its famous phrases are April is the cruelest month. I will show you fear in handful of dust. So this is a line taken from that the Chaucer's Canterbury Tale. Okay. So the poem divided into 5 section. ये जो poem है The Westland, वो 5 section में divided है. So the first section, The Burial of the Dead, जिसमें इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं डाइवर्स थीम ऑफ डिसएलिजनमेंट एंड डिसेबल. दूसरा पार्ट सेकेंड है अ गेम ऑफ चेस. ओके, सो बी ए टी डी, तो मैंने ऐसे याद रखा था लाइक दैट बी ए टी डी. इसका अलग अलग मेथड भी दैट आप हम जैसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म ट्रिक यूज करके कर सकते. ओके, सो द गेम ऑफ चेस, इसमें एम्प्लॉय अल्टरनेटिंग नरेशन विच इज दैट वेगनेट्स ऑफ सेवरल कैरेक्टर डिस्प्ले होते हैं. फंडामेंटल एम्प्टीनेस ऑफ देयर लाइव्स दे एक्सप्रेस. थर्ड है द फायर सर्मन, ऑफर अ philosophical meditation in relation to self denial and sexual dissatisfaction. And last इसका आता है, that is the section list death by water. It's a brief that kind of a description of download merchant. What the thunder said, it's the last actually. So first burial of the dead, second a game of chess, third the fire sermon, then death by water, and what the thunder said. It is a fifth part. It is a culmination of the poem's previously exposited themes explored through this desert journey. So this is how in short we see the work of T.S. Eliot.